we'll snatch this out, put the other one in, and hopefully be burning rubber by the weekend. What do you think?
So that's the plan.
I know you worked your ass off getting this running for me. Come in as a piece of junk. You put air ride, redid the interior, wood in the bed, disc brakes. Once I drove it down the road, just used to power, and it just ain't got the power. So I guess I want you to pull this motor out. I have a friend named Todd. He ain't used to a lot of power, so this would be a perfect motor for him. And then we're gonna pull it out and put that motor in here. It's already has the drain back for turbos. It's already got the intake. It's got everything we need to just drop in here, hook the stuff up. The S10 I bought had Holley fuel injection on it. We'll pull all the stuff we got off that truck, the fuel pumps. We pretty much got everything, so this really shouldn't cost me much. I already get in trouble for spending money. As you know, I really ain't got no money to spend. All my crap burned to the ground this weekend, so we're gonna have to use what we got. Let's do that. We'll snatch this out, put the other one in, and hopefully be burning rubber by the weekend. What do you think?
So that's the plan. Burn rubber.
If you get it done, I'll let you burn rubber first.
Deal.
All right, Paul, so he's got to keep pulling it all out again, huh?
That's it.
So, about what all does it take to pull a motor out? About how long does it take?
It just depends on what all you got to do to get one out. Normally about an hour and a half, 2 hours. This one's fixing to be out now. Should have them swapped over today.
You have the other one in here by the end of the day?
All goes well, and old Chapo don't tell me to do something else.
You're gonna change his mind halfway through?
Sure.
How long? You want to start taking bets on how long that motor will stay in this once it's over here?
I give it 90 days.
90 days.
90 days.
Hell, that's a pretty long time, actually.
If I have it sold to somebody else, I'll be pulling it out.
So, do you think you're gonna get your burnout first, or?
I think he's lying. We'll see. If not, I'll make it not run until I get to get my money.
All right, so if this is supposed to be a burnout truck, what's gonna break first?
The rear end. The
How
rear end will
long?
be the first one. I give it third or fourth burnout.
What's up, sir?
Y'all don't be over here talking shit about me changing my mind a lot.
Oh, we got a bet going on right now.
What's the bet now?
So how long the twin turbo motor will be in here before you sell it?
He said 90 days.
It'll be in there for a while.
3 burnouts. It's gonna be out there.
So
Tear something up.
I started to like this truck a lot. That's why I'm waiting on transmission that's not going to tear up. I hope. But let's see what.
I asked him what the first thing that was gonna break is gonna be. He said the rear end, so.
No, it's not. We're welding it up. Does that make it better?
Yeah, well, I was slacking though.
I would get that.
Damn, Cody, making all that damn noise. Well, it's out. That didn't take long.
Hey, so you guys know, Todd says I beat him on some valve covers when we was about 15. So ever since then, he beats me in every deal I do.
I know what you're talking about.
Hey, he gave me this, I gave him this small block 400 that you can't even find anymore for some burn up shocks.
Was the shocks burned up when you got them?
I don't know.
They wouldn't burn up when you got them, sir.
They definitely are now, though.
Well. Hey, we
Now
can negotiate.
Now they've been heat treated. Get it done with the turbos bolted on and everything. I'm really gonna be trash.
I can actually pull it out when it's sitting in there.
That's what we want. That's what I told him. I ain't gonna take that and put it nowhere.
On to this one.
Yes, sir.
1 out, 1 to go. So day 1 done on the C10 project right here. They've got the motor out, got this one in here, and now they just got to get all the turbo stuff and wiring ran. Shouldn't take too much longer. Hopefully they'll have it in 1 or 2 more days, and we should be burning some rubber then. All right, Paul, where are you at on this?
All right, so we got the motor in it, finally. Won't be in there long. The only thing left is mocking up the turbos, cutting this perfectly fine radiator support. I said we're gonna cut this perfectly fine factory radiator support.
I was upset about the other one because it was a nice one, but this was
OEM factory.
I guess. I mean, I guess we gotta quit worrying about OEM, don't we?
You do it Jamie's Chop Shop.
Jamie cut it up.
Jamie cut it up. That's pretty much it, just mocking everything up, wiring it up.
Some of you's gonna have this running today.
Yeah.
Tomorrow I'll be able to have the headers done and something else and something else.
Turbos mounted.
Yeah. What size it is, man.
Got to relocate the coil packs to the bottom. We're hitting the firewall, unfortunately. That's pretty much it. That's a wrap for day 1. Well, we're going to do a little pie cut off the end of that. That'll get us the angle we need and hopefully the right fitment. We're going to give it a shot anyway.
That's gonna cover.
Are you going to be cutting some of it too?
I don't know. We could maybe run a 90 right there and run it high as we can. I just don't know how close it's gonna be. Where you got them blocks under it?
We're going to cut this off and turn it. Well, I run it rod under it. I run it rod.
Alright guys, we're here with the C10. Unfortunately, we've kind of hit a stopping point. We've got to get an intercooler, we've got to get some wiring stuff, and then finish up the exhaust on it. So we're not completely done with it, but we've gotten kind of backed up with some other customer cars and some other things we've got going on. So once we can get back on it, we'll get it done. We'll get y'all updated on it. So we'll see y'all then.